Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Power BI. In this session of this tutorial, you'll get an understanding of the Power BI desktop, its introduction, the various features available on it, the sign-in capabilities, and the other desktop-related features. Let's go to the tutorial. As and when you open the Power BI desktop, this is how your landing screen will be looking. Here you get an option to get data, that is import data from various sources available, and this link will give you all the recent sources that you have used. Here this gives you all the new features that are pertain to the latest release. This is a link to a Power BI blog, same to the forums, and this gives you an access to the Power BI tutorials. You can sign in using the sign in button that is available. So as and when you sign in, your sign in name appears here. This also gives you an option to look at your account settings, and in case you want to switch account, this will be your go-to option. Apart from this, there are two modes of connecting your data to Power BI desktop. One is direct mode and the other one is import mode. And there are three options that are available. In the sense, there are three views that are available for you to view. One is your report view, and the other one is your data view, and the other one is your relationship view. Relationship view is the place where you define relationship between your different tables in your Power BI desktop, and data is the view where you get to see all the data that is related, that is imported, or either imported to your query, or in case of a direct query, you get to see the data using the edit queries option. And report is the area where you build your actual report. This place gives you all the visualizations that are available in Power BI desktop. This clicking on ellipse will give you an option to import your visualization from the file, import from store, and delete a custom visual. Clicking on import from store, which requires you to log into the system, will give you an access to the custom visuals that are provided by Power BI desktop. Let's take a look at the custom visuals in a future session. Apart from this, there is a ribbon available at the top. It's a home ribbon, view ribbon, modeling, and help. Help gives you options to connect with the support and what is about Power BI desktop, about Power BI blog, community, and the other features. Modeling gives you capabilities to create parameters, create new tables, create roles for defining access, and changing the data type of your columns. View gives you an access to different options, which include show grid lines, snap objects to grid, lock objects to your report to your grid. It also gives you a facility to look at the selection pane and the other field properties. This also gives you a facility to define a phone layout for your report. The home, which is the default view of your ribbon, gives you option to import data, connect to your recent sources, enter data using a manual entry, edit your queries once it is imported, change your dataset settings. It also gives you facility to create a new blank page or a duplicate page, import a new visual, bring in your new text box, images, shapes, and in case this is again a facility to import your custom visual either from store or from visual. This gives you a facility to switch your theme by importing your theme or reverting back to your default theme. Once you set a relationship between tables, you can also manage relationship from this ribbon. This also helps you in creating new measure and new column. This publish option is the final thing which you will be hitting on once your report development is complete. On clicking publish, your report gets deployed to your Power BI service, web service. The file option also gives you various other options that are very much similar to the other Microsoft Office products. That's all in this session. Until we meet again, goodbye. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for future videos.